What's up, guys? Welcome to another video where I go over the Blackstone Adventure Ready grill. Let's get into it. Alright, so it comes with all the parts you need, a nice little sticker, instruction manual, and apparently it comes pre-seasoned. So when you think of a grill, usually for camping, I think of a Camp Chef immediately. I grew up with a Camp Chef. You have your 2 and 3 burners with no flat cooktop. They sell the griddle toppers for Camp Chef, but this one was ideal for me for everything we like to eat camping. Let me give you a full walkthrough now that it's assembled. The best part about it is it does come with both propane adapters, so I could hook this to a full propane bottle, but it also comes with the smaller version, so if I wanted to use a small portable propane tank, I can. It also comes with a warranty from Blackstone, so don't forget to activate that. The setup was fairly easy, and it already gave me some insight to things that I liked and I didn't like. Let's get right into the things I didn't like about this. The thing that I didn't like is that it did not come with a travel bag. Now if I break these legs down, break this top down and this, there's no way to store all of them all together. Now I may be able to find one on Amazon. If I do, I'm going to link it in the video above and maybe in the description. No affiliate link for me, but yeah, I'm going to try to find a bag for this so I can carry it. I almost wish this shelf was just an extension that could fold down rather than a removable piece, because if I'm unloading this and loading this into the camper, I wish it would just fold up and down with the legs in one piece. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 separate pieces when breaking this down. The number one thing I already had a problem with was these leg locks. When these legs fold down, these have troubles locking. I kept having this one wiggle loose, and I can tell it's because these are cheap pins here that don't like to click in. So that is one thing I already don't like. Another thing that I don't like is this shelf right here. The way they have it, you have these bolts, so you can change whatever side you want that shelf on. Now the thing I don't like about this is you have to leave these loose in order to put your table on. So I could totally see these falling out between transportation. Now, if you keep an eye on these, there's no worry, but if you tighten all the way to where they don't twist, there's no way you're getting that table on. So you got to leave them a little loose, but the problem is now they risk falling out. So I'm going to keep them tight while transporting, but that's another thing. Another thing I don't like about it is that there's no option to add a burner on the side for boiling water. Now, if I had a 3 burner, that would be ideal, because then I can boil water, have corn, but now I'm just stuck with an entire black topper for cooking camping. Now, this is an ideal griddle top for camping, but it does limit you to things you can cook. They do sell a 1 burner stovetop like this with the griddle, where it's divided like this, and it's a little smaller, but I wanted the bigger griddle because if you're cooking for more people, you're gonna run out of room on the griddle, especially for breakfast. You got sausage, hash browns, eggs, all on one griddle. One's not gonna be enough, but I do wish this had a side burner. I think the legs are actually made pretty poorly. I've already had troubles getting the legs to extend and come back out. That is one thing I'm not happy with this grill. So I removed this leg completely, and it's already having problems. Now, getting into the things I liked. I love these handles. These handles are nice and sleek. I love the look of this thing. The Adventure Ready, it just looks great. It looks like a clean Blackstone. Very easy to assemble. I love this cook handle as well. Most handles on grills are metal, and they end up heating up and you end up flinching because it's so hot, even though it won't burn you. But this adds a nice element to where you have a silicone grip that protects your hand when you open this. Another thing that I love about it, it came pre-seasoned. So now I don't have to worry about seasoning. I can take it camping and it's ready to go. Each leg is adjustable, so if your ground is uneven, you can adjust each leg rather than both legs. That's another nice feature that I do like about this Adventure Ready Blackstone. As far as other Blackstone camping ones that I've seen, a lot of them provide a nice large gap right here that blows out your flame. I love that this one protects the flame all the way around to where there's no gaps to be able to blow that flame out. Now, another thing that I loved about this, I'm going to show you how easy it is to disassemble right now. Watch this. go. 3 pieces, just like that. Less than 5 minutes. Now, why did they not sell a bag with this to carry it? I don't know. I'm going to find one so I can pack this all up at least in 2 separate bags. So, one thing too is you can store your shelf and your grease kit inside the griddle so you don't have so many moving pieces. Also, if you wanted to, store your propane in here. Let me know your thoughts on this grill. Do you guys like it? Do you guys hate it? Did my rating help you? If you did, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.